Hey everyone, so today in my second episode of my October Daily for 2018, I'm going to be prepping my album. I'm also going to show you my kit. This is basically everything that I put together so I can just have things on hand and it's not going to take me a super long time to document or put pictures in the album because I just have everything on hand. So I'm going to show you my kit, I'm going to show you the album and the pages that I've already prepared off camera, and we're going to put everything together. So I already went through the journaling cards. These are both packs of the journaling cards that I picked up, and then I have my ephemera right here. I separated the words because there are like little words, like individual letters. I separated those and I put them in here. I'm going to be using my Heidi Swap roller date stamp. I also have some washi that I chose from my stash that I feel coordinates with the collection pretty well. I also have these cards that I'm going to be putting in the page protectors, and then I just have some extra things on hand. So that is my kit that I put together that's just going to sit on my desk, and it's there when I'm ready to use it for my October Daily. So I already have this set pattern of pages in my mind, so I'm just going to go with that. So first off, I have 3 pattern papers. Next, I have this pocket page. I created it for these journaling cards, tags, photos, anything that I'd like to use it for. So next, I have this tabbed page that I made. I love tab pages. I think they're so cute, and I made this using Martha Stewart's cardstock in the color Marmalade. And I went ahead and matted the paper. Here is a 4x6 clear pocket. I have a little Target treat bag that you guys saw in my first episode. And I have another piece of pattern paper. I have a clear pocket. I have another piece of pattern paper. Another clear pocket. And then this is my middle tab page, which was very hard to do. I don't know if I'm just a dummy with the way I'm using my tab punch board, but I don't know. This was difficult to do, to get it like right in the middle where I wanted it between the other 2 tabs. Yeah, I don't know. So there's that. I only created 2 pocket pages, so this is the other one. I did one in black and one in orange. And then this is my bottom tab. Okay, so this is my album so far, and look at all the room I have. So I already went ahead and did a couple things off camera, and I told you guys that I really wanted to do a mini album kind of feel with this. So a hybrid album is basically open pages that you can make layouts with and clear pocket pages. I wanted to put some elements in there from mini albums. So a couple years ago, I did this same kind of thing for my October Daily, but I never finished it. And I really liked the idea, and I wanted to do it again. So I created, well, actually, I followed a tutorial. This tutorial was from Paper Crafter 45, and it's just a mini album insert. You're supposed to cover these with pattern paper, but I didn't, just because I felt like it would be too much. And this kind of broke up the patterns nicely, I feel. And in here I have a card for photo or journaling. You can add a photo here, maybe journaling. You have these pockets. I'll show you. Okay, so you have this pocket. You can put the little journaling card there. You have this pocket. So it's really, really cute. And that is going to go in my album as well. So this is the second mini album insert, and I actually followed a tutorial from May Made It. I'll go ahead and link both tutorials down in the description box below in case you guys want to check them out. And it opens like this. So I have tons of room for photos, and if I need more, you can actually mat the outside and add photos there as well. Which I don't think I'm going to do that, but I like this how it is. You can add a photo here, over here as well. You can journal up here, whatever you'd like to do. And then this is a little pocket. So I'm totally in love with this. I think it's so cute. I'm just a little nervous because once you add photos to this, I think it might get a little bulky, but we will see. And remember how I had the black glitter cardstock and I told you guys I wanted to do something super cute with it? Well, I went on my Cameo, I pulled out my Cameo, I cut the word boo, which I think is so adorable, and I punched it so it's able to fit in my album. So I'm not quite sure what I want to do with that just yet. And then I also did this. So I didn't have any vellum on hand. All I had was acetate, which I think is kind of cute anyway. I cut a ghost from my Cameo. The ghost shape and the ghost's face were two different ghosts, and I liked the face on the one ghost, and I just swapped the faces because I liked the body on the one, and I flipped the image so this tail wasn't going to get like bent when I folded my album clothes. So and I punched holes, so he's gonna go right in there. I don't know, I think he's kind of cute. So I went ahead and used the 6x6 paper pad, cut up the papers that are not in the 12x12. So there's some designs that are not in the 12x12 collection kit, and those are the papers that I used to add to these little pages. I also went ahead off camera and prepped a little sequin mix that I feel goes really well with my collection. It has all the elements from the collection, so it's got pumpkins, bats, cats, just all the cute little things. It's orange, black, and white, so it's gonna go perfect. Well, that's heating up. I wanna go ahead and use my whole reinforcer punch and create some reinforcers for my tabbed pages. Okay, so I have 3 tabbed pages, so I need 12 of the whole reinforcers. So I'm just going to, I think I like this paper. And I'm just going to glue these on the front. You can add them to the back as well. I'm not going to, just because, I don't know, I didn't do anything to the back. I kind of just want to leave it plain. I feel like this looks really good with the pad and paper next to it. And I'm just going to do that to all of my tabbed pages. So I think my heat tool has heated up enough. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add my sequin mix to my pockets. I don't want to add too much. I think a little bit more might be enough. There you go. Okay. That's so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and add more to the bottom. And I think I'm gonna do one big shaker in the middle of my album, and just to make it kind of even. So these are gonna be like in the front of my album and the back, and I'm gonna have this one in the middle. And I think because this one's gonna be in the middle, I should just do something kind of different for this shaker, and I'm gonna add a little witch ephemera. Okay, I think that's enough. Just because I don't want to add too much to this to where you won't be able to see the witch. So... Okay. Okay, so here is a complete flip through of my October daily. I love this ghost. I think he's so cute. And then here is my insert that you guys saw for all the photos. So I may or may not use them. I will see, but just in case, I have one. My pocket page. I love the way these reinforcers look on the tabbed page. There's the bag. Super adorable. I love this so much. I can't wait to get started in this. There's my little witch shaker, my bag. I might add reinforcers to the bags, but I'll see. Everything is basically set up for me to use it, and as I go along, I will add more things that I know I might need. And I love this boo. I think it's so cute. My last little shaker. And then my last page. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me putting together my October daily. I'm going to be uploading October daily videos every Saturday at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Love you guys.